Okay, this is my version of a how-to fix-it video. It's simple enough so that even a moron like me should be able to do it without getting y'all too confused. This is my Stanley Plastic Sawhorse, which is all fold-upable, which is good. And I like it because it's got these little grooves in here where you can lean a 2x4 up on that and it'll hold it for you. And it's got these little things here to hold the cord of your saw or whatever, and got a little place down here to put things, but they're cheap and they break like mine. See if I can get it in the sunlight. Mine broke here. This little plastic wobbly google thing that goes across there broke because they're cheap, Chinese made. We don't expect much out of them, right? I shouldn't say Chinese made. They may be made by Americans out here in America, but I don't know. All I know is that they broke. So what I did was I drilled holes in them. I got me some of these cable ties. I run the cable ties through. I put one there through here and one here through that, and I put two over here, but that was broke even more, and one through that. And for now, they're fixed. Now, how long they stay fixed, I don't know. I suppose if I'd be more careful with them and not fling them around like this, I suppose they'd last longer. But you know how I am. I'm rough on my equipment and on my people too. So there's that. That's your how-to video from me today, and that's all you're going to get. So I hope you have a nice day, and if you're having a nice day, get over it. Bye now.